With the new iPhone 13 lineup, Apple also introduced a new video mode, which is called Cinematic Mode. It allows you to shoot your videos with a shallow depth of field and also allows you to use photo transitions between what you are shooting. So in today's video, we're going to be testing Cinematic Mode. I'm currently using my iPhone 13 Pro Max with Cinematic Mode on to shoot this video, and I'm currently also using a light and a mic. So the iPhone is right here, I have a light on my left side, and my microphone is right here on top of me. So we'll be able to see if by any chance the iPhone 13 can replace a professional camera. So this was a cinematic mode test. Please let me know down below in the comments if you liked it, what you think, and if you believe that the iPhone 13 Pro could potentially replace a professional camera. If you liked the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.